guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Portia, but all my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Porsh too. And welcome back to a new video. So today I figured that I would do a little old school YouTube video. A lot of people have been decluttering their closets and their rooms and their houses. Today we are decluttering our phones. So yeah, you're cleaning everything out and you're taking this time that we're in quarantine to just kind of refresh everything, and your phone should be one of those things that you refresh. You're pretty much looking at it now the whole entire time, so you might as well just do something to freshen some things up. So with that being said, we're just going to refresh our phones, just change some things up, and yeah, so we're gonna go in with my phone right here. This is my phone. I have the iPhone 8. Yeah, I said that right, the iPhone 8. Don't judge me, don't come for me, okay? You know, it works just fine. It's not glitching because there's like 50 other phones out after it. Like, it works fine, okay? It works fine. I like my iPhone 8, okay? But don't sleep, I am getting that 11 Pro. Or maybe I should just wait until the 12 comes out. I don't know. But with that being said, so now we're just going to go into our phones. So this is my phone. As you can see, it's really dark, it's really dingy. Not dingy, but just it's really dark, and I kind of just want to change it, you know? I want to kind of change up the pace. So as you can see, my screen here, I don't know if I'm doing a jump clip or side by side, but you're seeing it. I always have these problems when I do clips like this. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Pinterest, and I made a Pinterest board for all of the wallpapers, for different wallpapers. I went and did this last night. So, and I actually like this. I think I'm going to make this my lock screen. I think this is really cute. But yeah, so this is all of the wallpapers that I made, or not made, but these are all the wallpapers that I just came up with, and the ones that I like and I want to keep. So, and the first thing I'm going to switch is my home screen. So I think I'm gonna go in with focus on the good. I really like this one. I think it's really cute. So with that being said, I'm just going to save it to my thing, and I can't really save it like this. So what you're going to do is just screenshot it and then edit down, so that way you can use the picture. And then from there, you're just going to go to your settings and then go to wallpaper and choose a new wallpaper, all photos, and then pick whichever photo that you want to choose. You guys pretty much know the gist of that, but you know, I just wanted to, you know, let you know if you wanted to know that. Now that this is changed, we're just going to move all of my apps. So right now I have all of my apps in a folder. Fun fact, I actually used to hate having all of my apps in a folder, but then I was watching a video from Vicky Logan, and she had all of her apps in a folder, and they were all organized by color. So they were color coded. And I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. And it took me a really long time to do it for some reason, because at the time I had a lot of apps, but I did that, and then ever since then I never went back. So with that being said, now that I have that, I'm just going to kind of switch some things around. So this idea I actually got from somebody else when they were organizing their phone. I can't remember her name, but I think she's pretty popular on YouTube, but I can't remember her name. I came across her channel in that video the other day, so I will also link that down below. So yeah, if you guys want to check out that video. And so what she has all the rest of her apps on a different like page of the phone. Did that make sense? It didn't make sense, but whatever. So with that being said, I'm just going to move all the apps that I normally use out, which is 9 times out of 10 just going to be my social media apps. So I just use all of that. So I'm just going to do that. And move this and that. All right, so I moved that out of the way. And then I'm just going to rearrange all of these because, yeah, I want them to be the same way that they were originally because I like change, but not that much. All right, so now that we did all of that, yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Done that, I'll just go over some of the apps that I actually have on my phone with you guys really quick. And yeah, so now let's start in the white folder. So we have my calendar, the Clue app, which is just going to be the period app, just to help me track all of that lady stuff. YouTube, Facetune, which I never use, my photo app, Target app because Target, and then the Rain app. I really like this app. It helps me go to sleep. So if you guys are looking for something to help you like go to sleep or anything like that, or just relaxes you so you can doze off, I really like this. And I use the thunderstorm and April showers combined. Going into the blues, I have the App Store, my bank, Hot Schedules, which is for work, Southwest, the keto diet, yeah, because you guys know I was doing keto, gift keyboard, which I love. That is where I get all of my gifts. And then Photo Vault, and then Heads Up. And then in the purples, it's the weather app, Simple and Let Me Out. Simple is just going to be an intermittent fasting app. Along with keto, I've been intermittent fasting. Do not mind, I have not been fasting for 220 hours and 25 minutes. I would be dead. This is how you keep track of your intermittent fasting, or that's how I personally like to keep track of my intermittent fasting. Yellows is just my Snapchat, my Bible, Six Flags app, and then 2048. 2048 is just something when I'm bored and I don't want to be on social media and I'm trying to avoid social media at all costs. So I just I play that game just to keep my mind busy. The greens is Cash App, Bitmoji, and then Google Maps. But let me move Google Maps back to the whites because they just changed their app and now it's white. But originally it was green, okay? It was originally green. So next is going to be the red oranges. So we have SoundCloud, Discover, Parkways, Schedules, which is another work thing, and then InShot. I love InShot. That is how InShot is how what do I do on InShot? InShot is how I make my thumbnails. It is also how I edit my Instagram videos. So I did make an Instagram video on this makeup look. So if you guys want to check that out, go to my Instagram. It's going to be up there. But yeah, I love InShot. It's a one-stop shop. You can pretty much do anything on this app, and I'm obsessed with it. Then we have Uber, my settings, camera, Uber Eats, Game Time. Game Time is just where you would buy sports tickets or concert tickets. Anywhere else, but you know, we're not doing any of that right now, so I might need to delete that app. And then Lensa, this is my all-time favorite app right now. Lensa is how I edit my selfies. I love this app. I'm definitely going to do a video about it, about how I edit my selfies, because I love it. As you can see, this top row, these I'm not, don't worry, don't look at those. But this row right here, like, oh my gosh. Like now that I'm starting to get used to the app, oh my gosh, I love this app so much. And then the last folder is just going to be a whole bunch of extras. So notes, reminders, find my iPhone, wallet, health, shortcuts, all that stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is my iPhone. Guys, Portia from the future here. So a few things I want to go over with you guys really quick. So as you guys can see, I have like these specialty apps on my phone, and it's just shortcuts. So I'm just going to show you really quick how I do it. So you're just going to do create a new shortcut and then go to scripting, open app, and then choose whichever app that you're going to use. In this case, I chose the Pinterest app. So once you do that, you're just going to rename it Pinterest, and here's me struggling to spell Pinterest for some reason. But yeah, so you can pretty much name it whatever you want, but pretty much just to know what it is, I just like to rename it as the app that it already is. And then from there, you're just going to click on those three little dots, and then let that chill out for a second. You're gonna go to the internet and just type in pretty much like Pinterest icon. And like I said before, I wanted something really minimum, so I just go to images to find an Pinterest like logo that I like. So I came across this one. I really like that one, so I just added that to my photos. And then we're going to go back to the Shortcuts app, and from there we're slowly, give it a second, yeah, we're going back to the Shortcuts app. Then we're gonna click on the icon, choose photo, and then go to our photos and choose that Pinterest right there. And then we're just gonna hit add, and yeah, then it's add to your home screen, and then you can do whatever you please. So that is how you do it. That is all the icons that I have. And then as soon as you open that app, it takes you straight to the app, so you don't have to do anything crazy. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, and if you want to see more videos or more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you're planning on doing to your phone, if you plan on changing it or moving anything around, or you just like it the way it is. Leave a comment about that below, and most importantly, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.